If you're somebody who constantly jumps between browser tabs, then this new feature in Google Chrome might save you a little bit of time. So Google has recently introduced Split View, which lets you see two tabs side by side in the same Chrome window. So instead of constantly switching between tabs, you can work with both pages at the same time. Let me show you how it works. Okay, so there are a couple of easy ways to turn on the Chrome Split View. The first way is to right-click on the tab that you want to split. So I'm in this one of my old videos here, and you can right-click on this tab and go to Add Tab to a new split view. Then it will give you the option of choosing which other tab you want to split the view with. So I'm going to say this one. So you can see I'm going to watch this tutorial on the left-hand side and follow along the steps on the right-hand side, rather than having to keep pause the video, click into a different tab and then follow along and then click back into the video tab. This just saves so much clicking and so much time. So another way of doing it is if I'm in a current tab like I am now, I'm in this tab, and I right click on another open tab, it will ask me if I want to do a new split view with the current tab. So it will automatically split that tab with this current one that I'm currently in. And there you can see they're now split. And you'll have noticed I have multiple split tabs now. So I've got these two that are split, and I've still got the video and the Google Drive one. I've still got those two split as well. How cool is that? So you can easily adjust the size between these tabs. You'll see there is a divider line in the middle here. When you hover over it, your cursor will change to two little arrows, and you can just click and drag the divider left or right to give one page more space than the other. Now you'll also notice there's a new icon that's appeared over to the left of the browser bar here. When you hover over it, it says Arrange Split View. So if you click on there, it gives you more options of what you can do with this split view. So if you want to close the split view, you can click on Separate Views. So then you're seeing them in two separate tabs. It goes back to being two separate tabs. You can close the left view or the right view, depending on which one you want to close down completely. You can reverse the views, which does exactly what it says. It reverses the views. And I'm just going to go back to Separate Views. So you can see I've now got them in the two separate tabs across the top here. Now if I go back to this other split view here, you can also access these same options by right-clicking on the tabs that are actually split. You can right-click, go to Arrange Split View, and you'll see the same options are listed here as well. And job done. So if you use Chrome a lot for work and you're normally flicking between tabs, then this is one of those small features that can make your day a little bit easier. Now, if you don't see it yet, don't worry, the feature is currently rolling out. So just make sure that you're using the most up-to-date version of Chrome. Remember, sharing is caring. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with anyone else who you think would also find it useful to know. And let me know in the comments, would you actually use Split View, or do you prefer working with separate windows? Let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.